Welcome to Paintless Dent Repair, Boulder, Colorado. If you need a dent repaired or have auto hail damage, you need to contact us for your paintless dent repair. We can get you the best price on dent repair in Boulder, Colorado. We partner with paintless dent removal shops in and around your area to get you the best price. Our shops can repair car door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, trunk dents, hail damage, and more. Contact us today and we will get you in touch with the best auto body shop in town. You will receive a free estimate and sometimes even a loaner car. Don't want to leave your house? No problem. Our PDR shops can do mobile dent removal. Remember, we will get you the best price for dents and hail damage in Boulder, Colorado. Our repair services include car dent repair, door ding repair, bumper dent removal, fender dent removal, mobile dent repair, auto hail damage repair, free dent estimation, collision repair, paint repair, scratch removal, detailing, ceramic coating, window tinting. Pay your deductible. Not every shop can perform all services, but we will try our best to get you the best price. In some cases, the auto body shop can pay your insurance deductible. We've already made it easier for you by partnering with the best body shop in Boulder, Colorado. Now all you need to do is contact us today and we will get started on getting that estimate or loaner car. You have nothing to lose. Our shop is highly recommended and will make your car look brand new. Give us a call right now. Common questions about PDR. What is paintless dent repair? Paintless dent removal is a widely recognized process for repairing minor surface panel damage while preserving the original paint finish. The PDR process involves using specialized tools to apply pressure from behind the panels that you're trying to repair in order to massage out any imperfections on their surfaces and restore them back into shape. Paintless dent repairs have been an industry standard since they were first introduced, as it allows technicians trained in this skill set to access even more areas of vehicles than before without having to needlessly remove valuable parts or cause further damages with other means like hammers and drills, which can also permanently harm your vehicle's structural integrity if not done properly by someone who knows what they're doing. If you want to learn more about the repair process and get answers, make sure to read this Dent Repair Content post. You will learn which PDR techniques work and which ones don't. How much does paintless dent repair cost? Painting and refinishing can be costly to your wallet. Paint is expensive, as are labor costs for painting vehicles. If you're looking for a cheaper option without the high cost of paint or labor, then consider PDR, Paintless Dent Repair. It's not only time saving, but it also saves on both money and frustration that come from car damage due to accidents, etc. The cost of paintless dent removal will vary based on the severity and location of any issues. On average, door dings usually come with a price tag that ranges between $50 to $125 depending on their size. The larger dents that are caused by collision often have an estimated quote in between $150 and $350 for repairs, while getting your car fixed up again at our shop is possible through insurance coverage if you've got it. Why choose our shops in Pueblo CO? We are proud to have some of the best technicians in the field. Paintless dent removal has become very popular for fixing minor dings and dents, but it still requires a lot of manual labor on behalf of our skilled team members. The more experienced they are with PDR techniques, the better chance there is that we can fix even larger dent problems. We'll also do everything possible to ensure your experience will go smoothly from start through the finish and deliver your vehicle back in pristine condition.